Hello, it's Don. Okay, well, you probably don't see nothing in the background cool. No, we're not working on anything fun today. This is uncool. Took a shower this morning, used the bathroom, and I'm hearing blunk, blunk, blunk out of one of the toilets. And I know what this means because I've been in this house for 23 years now, and my septic is backing up. I usually put the Riddicks in there or whatever, and it makes a difference. It's good to do, but I've been lazy about it. So just by chance I started doing it again a couple months ago, but I think too late. So I got to dig up the drain field, and I know what it is because I've done it before. It's not the end of the world, and it's easy to find. We haven't got our rainy season yet. You can see the dead spot there. That's where my tank is, and that's where the cover is. And I got to dig the cover up, and I got my chain and my rope. I'll show you all about that while I'm doing it. But there's a filter on septic tanks these days. I say these days, my house is 23 years old, and the filter will plug up. So you got to dig it up, pull the cover. I got a hose over here with a sprayer on it, and we just spray the filter out, put it back in. I'm good for another couple, 2-3 years. I don't get it. Why do we need a filter on a drain field? But it must be somebody out there smarter than me that says why. Okay, so hey, you can watch me dig for a while. This is gonna be a lot of fun here. Let's set you up right in about the way. It'd be fun for you, not so fun for me. Whatever. Whatever, I take everything in stride. It is what it is. You do what you gotta do. Let's start digging. So from what I can see here, that's like the end of the tank covered. Oh, look at there. There's a loop. Well, that just made my job easier. You don't put a lot of dirt on top of these. I told you I'd done it before. I knew the area, but geez, I never hit it that lucky. All right, there it is. Whew, that's fun work right there. Anyway, I got an outline there. It'll kind of be stuck. We're going to wedge up with the shovel, but one thing you don't want to do, that could actually fall in there if you mess up. That would be bad. So I always tie a rope onto it. I'll take this rope. It's about a 15-foot rope. How deep's the septic tank? 5 feet or whatever. So that'll keep me, just in case something bad happens. Keep that lead from falling down inside. And then I got to call a septic company to pump it out because I ain't swimming for it. No, sir. Okay. There's my safety rope. Let's see what we can do here now. Here's a chain for pulling it out. It never works that easy. No, never. I got a pry bar. I'll probably have to go get it broke free. Oh, look at there. Look at there. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, that smells good. Not really. Talk about a crappy job, huh? So there's the filter right there. It hooks on. You can see it's too full. Once I pop that off of there, it'll lift right up. I got to get something to hook onto that because I'm not grabbing that with my hands. No, I don't want to get my gloves dirty. That's what it is. All right, let me go get a hook to hook on that, and I'll be right back. Okay, back on the job. It doesn't, as I recall, this pulls right out of here. I got a little pelt prise to grab it out, And I got a hose over here. I brought the hose, you know, but I didn't bring my sprayer in. And a little bit of high pressure will make that a lot easier to do. Like I said, it's not a hard job. It's sure a stinky job. It's not for everybody. Some people just don't do well with that smell. Not that I enjoy it, but these septic companies, they send somebody out here to do this for you. I imagine you're going to pay at least probably 150, 250 bucks. And you know, I could take that money and I could put it toward working on my boat or going fishing. Something better, something that I enjoy. I don't mind spending my money on stuff like that. Okay, here we go. We're back. I'm going to pull that filter out of there. I'm just going to hose it out, and that'll make my grass happy somewhere. But, let's get her done. Let's get her done. That should be about right. Got my sprayer. I'll put this on the hose. You know, I always mean to have all this stuff ready before I start one of these videos, and oh, I always forget something. So here it is. I just grab by the center. Pull that out of there. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's disgusting. And that's what it is. How's your water supposed to go through there? It doesn't. It doesn't. This will fix it right away. Now you can see I pulled that out. Look in that pipe. You can just see the water flowing through now. So boom, just like that. Problem solved. And I'll put the filter in clean. And it draws from down below there. You know, I'm sure it's that much better with the filter. But let's get this thing cleaned out. Looks pretty good. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Like I said, it's nothing overly complicated, but sure ain't no fun. Oh yeah, look at that water just pouring through there now. That's good. We'll put the filter back in. And it'll keep pouring through. Now it's going through the filter. It's that much better. Alright, well, let's see if we can put this stuff back in without dropping the... That's another reason for safety rope. You know, these square things, you can lose track of them. And they can flop back in there. So I keep my rope on there until I've got it back done, seated in. And then we'll just cover it back up, smooth the grass around, see what happens. Oh, that's a handful. Oh, that ain't better. Oh, hey, yeah, look at there. That is better. Okay. That is better. Done with the chain. Luckily, we didn't need the rope. Whew. Okay. Now you're all experts on cleaning your septic tank filter. A little bit of sweat, middle of summer, couldn't think of a better time to do this. Anyway, Don does it. Don does it again. Oh, let's try to have more fun videos than this next time. Have a great day.